Hi, please review these points. I will first start to show what my laptop has and how the information is confined to me. This is my Lenovo laptop. I am signing in again. This is the individual serial number of my Lenovo laptop. My model number T470. Those are the other specifications. Now we will go to driver and software. Here we will see what is exactly part there as this laptop was built. I have pre-checked that there are list of 43 parts, so I'm clicking to maximum of 50. See here, this is showing me my laptop, this particular laptop with this serial number has some wireless CMV or IN8260 ACNV wireless LAN adapters. It's not WAN adapter, it's LAN adapter. I will also like to show you the Wi-Fi thing or Wi-Fi antenna of my laptop, which is way down here. Here it is. See, this antenna is enabled with WAN. Is enabled with WAN. It can get the connectivity of WAN, but here it is only showing me LAN. Coming back here, here it is the card who is transmitting data between the internet service provider and this laptop is only having LAN card. This shows that this confirms that the information available in Lenovo website is also confined, is also jacked and manipulated by the hacker or bot header who is heading that botnet has manipulated the information on this Lenovo website. We will make basic check of that LAN card or the connectivity card of mine in a generic search. This is the LAN card inside my laptop. information available on the sticker, I have captured that same information over here. Connectivity card info, the main thing. It is Intel model number so and so. Now we will check, copy this and we'll make an basic search. This is what it is saying. It is an wireless. It is nowhere saying that it has the connectivity of WAN or 4G, because here I am also contesting or trying to put an allegation of the organized crime where they are confining my device eligibility or possibility to connect to internet. Yeah, here it is showing me 5 gigahertz. See, here it is showing 5G. So I really surprised what it means technically, but I suppose it has the 5G connectivity. Here, yes, I suppose it has the 5G connectivity. Then too, I am been confined to connect this laptop by inserting the SIM in the SIM slot available in this laptop to internet, because I have personally talked with multiple people. They have literally said me this thing. Assure that my connectivity card model number so and so is equipped with 4G or 5G connectivity. However, same is confined by defaulters to withstand their clarification that IP numbers appearing in the server space while pinging it with NS lookup command in CMD is coming from mobile hotspot. They are trying to say this. However, they are unaware with the data validity or other allegation, which itself is an big thing. Now, as we have already established that my this particular card is having the functionality of 5G also, then why I'm unable to connect to internet you by inserting an SIM card in this? See, there is no same functionality available over here. It has the function of mobile hotspot, that I can also make this device as an hotspot. Yeah, that is big thing. So now this device has also become an hotspot. It is one side it is connected to an internet, on the other side it is connecting to an hotspot. In mobile it is not possible, but in this laptop it is possible. That's what not my task I planned in this video. However, I just clicked and it worked. Nevertheless, we'll go back to the pre-question which I defined to show you in this video. Disconnecting that hotspot, coming back to this. Which server IP I will get on pinging my LAN enabled card with NS lookup command. The IP you will get while using the NS lookup command in CMD is not directly related to your LAN enable card. Instead, it depends on the DNS server. See, that is configured on your device or network. See, when you run an ns lookup command, the domain name or your device will query the configured DNS server, and it will respond with the IP address associated with that domain name. Now, I will also try to ping with other questions which I have predefined in it. Really, boss, Copilot works so well, so well. See, over there, it was saying me that Intel card is having an 5 gigahertz connectivity. Here it is showing no. I really don't know what 5 gigahertz or GH means, but let us assume that it has been confined. Here it is showing saying me no. Okay, no, it will not. Which I am trying to contest. It will, and that has been barred from me to prove their point that my laptop is getting an IP address of provided by that mobile hotspot network or mobile hotspot in particular, considering that mobile is an big routing hub for this laptop. However, as per the internet protocol, this IP address has to come from DNS, which we have already seen in our previous question. There is also an IPv6 module has came into an effect to sustain the IP protocol of providing an individual IPs for every connected device. Now my very big debate. I made a general search that what I have to do to make my this laptop to connect to internet using an SIM slot. Then after making a several search, I got to know that I need to use the Sierra wireless card EM7355. Now let's see what is the configuration of this particular card. Configuration on Amazon is much more wider than there, which is there on their own website. See, I have read that before. It was having an wireless cellular modem. I don't know where it's gone. It was also showing me an that particular card picture. Now it is not showing me. Let us recheck it. Let us remove all this. Simply check by this card number itself is an very reputed card. Yeah, here it is. Let me go to Amazon and check the price of same card over there. What it is showing now. Yes, here it go. See, here it is having an WAN over it with it. So my contestant over here is that we require an WAN WLAN card to connect to internet. It is the protocol or it is a device or it is a hardware which is been required to be installed to connect any of the devices to the internet, without which you will not able to connect to internet. And if, as we have already seen, that my this particular card is only connected to LAN, okay, that is a local area network, and how come it is connecting to an across the globe, right? So if tomorrow if Lenovo or any other person come and say me that yes, their antenna was equipped with WAN, then I will contest to them ki whether I'm having an high power dish net, but if I'm only having an normal TV set, then whether that high power dish net will work on my normal TV set? No, it will require that similar TV to work. So I suppose I have clarified my issues that I am been confined by multiple people to access to the right data, which I have already shown in this split. Thank you very much to listening to me. Have a great day ahead. Sorry, I missed very important point in my previous video, which I will like to continue in this. We have reached till this thing. It has already shown no that this particular card don't have that 4G or 5G or LTE connectivity. However, we have already seen that 5G connectivity is only possible in a module like an LTE, which then how come it is this time it is saying no? We have little bit gone into and detail till here where I have shown that this card is particularly available or enabled with WAN functionality, which is the must requirement to connect to any device to the internet. Then why this thing is saying no? Then how come my device is connecting to internet with only LAN functionality? Can we connect to internet with Wi-Fi enabled connectivity, however, only having LAN functionality? See, this is the level of covering up they have done. Any person will definitely get confused and will buy their clarification. However, as I know certain protocols that it requires an WAN enabled functions to connect to internet. See, here it is saying me that such as uh, yes, you can definitely connect to internet with an Wi-Fi enabled connectivity card that has LAN functionality. LAN wireless local network allows you to connect to local wireless networks such as your home or office Wi-Fi. As long as that Wi-Fi network is connected to the internet through a router or a modem, you will be able to access the internet. Even so, even with just an LAN functionality, you will be able to enjoy online browsing, streaming, and more as long as you are connected to a Wi-Fi network that has internet service. No, it's not. I will give you a very big reason to it. We'll jump to it. I clearly remember we require, as per the internet protocol, we require or ISP is asked to provide an individual IP addresses to every connected device. Does this functionality work over there? No, because my this particular device is only giving me an IP address which is private, which is not an DNS or an ISP server IP or an IP provided by ISPs. See here, it is showing me the built-in information which my laptop has all that functions in it. Now let us check that also. I clearly remember that it has shown me, yes, it has very high speed 5G connectivity. It was showing somewhere down here. Oh god, I was knowing this thing. Now let us check this thing. I have already checked. Like this function is not working. Like we have already seen that Wi-Fi hotspot and Wi-Fi is working simultaneously, which is all the way next to impossible in a generic, known that thing. However, let us check on this. Yeah, see here it is showing me. Yes, it can. With super fast LTE connectivity, the T470 gives you an prompt access to all cloud data app and even if you are not on Wi-Fi range. See? Yes. This is how people try to confine me to sustain their, clarifications, which I strongly, get disappointed and really very upset to the core offenders who have messed my life. See, this is what I'm trying to say. Our network card is just LAN enabled. All everything what I spoke over this video, I have tried to brief that same thing in these narrations. Whoever is watching this video, I respectfully request them to view those paperworks to get more better understanding about this allegations. With this, I suppose I have conveniently convinced you that first of all, we cannot connect to internet with just an LAN function available in our card. We require an WAN function. Second thing is that I am been confined by limitation saying that my laptop all the way it has an SIM slot in it. It requires an card which make that laptop or SIM card active. And we have also seen that that particular card has WAN functionality in it. Okay, and however, like they will not able to sustain, which I have already specified in my this, कि I have already clearly said it कि they will not able to sustain. Just a second. Here it is. Animate is not going to withstand with allegation of data validation and ISP protocol for. Thank you very much to all who have seen this video and who are standing with me to get the justice. Thank you. Oblate.